Guys, today we're going to make something absolutely albacio and delicious. We're going to make today a pork cheek slow cook in orange juice. Is something absolutely delicious. You can cook this with roast potatoes, or you can make a beautiful and nice tacos, stuff like that. This is my way to make this, and I show you what I need. 1.5 kilo pork cheeks. They are 8 in number. Salt and pepper, 1/3 of glass white wine vinegar, orange juice from 2 oranges, orange zest, some garlic, fresh ginger, cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder, piece of cloves, garlic powder, paprika powder. We're gonna marinate this one. You know, it's good at least couple hours marinate, or if you can do even the day before, it is even better. Okay? Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we make great stuff for the family. Okay? I show you what we're gonna do. To marinate this straight away in the pot, going in the oven, because this we're gonna cook in the oven. Okay? Take your pork cheek, put inside, salt and pepper, how much you like, garlic powder, sweet paprika, as well, how much. You can use smoked paprika if you like. If you like some chili, you can, because I don't use much because for my son, because this is gonna be my lunch. This cinnamon stick, you can put here, cinnamon powder, some orange zest for this, from all, yeah. Now, put your hand in and mix everything. See? Cloves inside. I use 4, but not too many because they're strong one. Use the garlic, just put this inside like that. The ginger, this vinegar, orange juice, go in, and don't worry, just go in, guys. If you see the orange juice is not enough, you can add a little bit more, because this is important. They're gonna slow cook in the oven. We're gonna cook this around 3 hours. 140, but in this I'm gonna be more precise later. Basically, we leave like that at least couple hours, and later the dish we're gonna put the lid on and put in the oven. This is the first step of this, okay? But important, your cheek, they're gonna be inside. See you in a couple hours at least, okay? I left pork cheek around 3 hours, you know? The smell, wow! Preheat your oven. I put it 150. We're gonna leave this at least 3.5 hours. Lid on. And maybe around 2 hours, maybe we're gonna remove the lid and we're gonna finish to cook it without lid, okay? Two hours, you're gonna have something like this, okay? They are not finished. I prep as well my potatoes. I'm gonna roast this later. Guys, the smell is absolutely delicious. Now this is going again in the oven. Now we put 150 still. We're gonna cook this about another couple hours, but without lid. 1.5, 2 hours, depending on your cheek. Okay guys, my roast potato is ready, the mashed potato is ready, and my pork cheeks, they is already half an hour they out from the oven to relax, and they still warm in this cast pot. Anyway, I cook them 3.5 hours, 140, and last hour without lid, 150. Now you're gonna make ready some red onion, chopped, coriander, lime. Put some mash on the bottom. Take a nice chick, put on a little orange juice because this is amazing, guys. Coriander on the top, red onion, some lime juice. My pork cheeks is this absolutely wow. Al bacio. And I'm gonna add some roast potato. Guys, always if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.